What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We out here again. About to get slammed again, but we'll see how we do. I'll let y'all know. I'm surprised nobody's out here today, dude. So I'm surprised nobody's out here today.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Like, what the hell? What the hell is the? What's the occasion that nobody's here?
You know, that's what I'm saying. Nobody's here. It'll be packed, but it's
Crazy.
No pack,
You said 50 feet?
50 feet in front. Oh, there's some fish right under us, you see that?
Yeah. Oh, you think those are white bass though, man?
Oh, they might be.
I don't know.
They might not be. We'll have to catch one and find out.
Let's see.
Well, slow roll it. I saw.
I can't even see my jig.
Few moments later.
That's a white bass.
Is that white bass?
Yes, sir.
Oh my god, it's live?
Park City.
Oh my god, dude!
Finally. Decent size too.
Oh, that's not bad, dude. That's not bad. That's not bad.
Slow roll. Oh, I know the secret now, dude.
You gotta throw it at the shore and slow roll it?
Yeah. Throw it to the slow shore and just slow reel. To be honest.
I don't want your shit, I don't want my shit.
Yes, sir. I know the secret now, dude. Just gotta jig it real slow. Like bottom jig it. You gotta bottom jig it. Is there any marks over here? Q?
Oh, he's at the shore. Yeah, the drop off. But this is like little ass.
Where?
Huh?
Where?
There's no.
I know where.
Oh, no. It's not shallow. It's just at the drop off. It's like a weird ass spot. I don't know. How to say it.
It's like right here or what? Nah, it's alright.
Yeah, I just put the lights up there. It's fine.
No, it's alright. Saw Gucci.
Oh, I just missed one.
Sure, man?
Yeah. Just snatched the fuck out of my god.
There's one.
Oh my god, that's a dude.
I know the secret, dude.
Okay, we got this.
I know the secret, dude. I know the secret, dude. You gotta slow roll it off the bottom. Let's go, baby. Number 3. Yeah, you gotta slow jig it right off the bottom, dude.
Really a big one, then?
No, like a 2.5 inch.
Okay. That's good. 2.5 inches big.
Yeah. 2.5 inch big. That's more than average. Whitebass? Yes, sir.
Whitebass at the table, man. No scope for me.
No scope, baby.
We're finally on.
About time he caught one.
Hopefully.
Oh, hopefully
right
it gets
over the
off.
other
Hopefully it
side.
gets off.
I told you.
When this killer. Got one? Oh. Oh no. I got snagged her. You got one though? Does it feel good? Oh, get it, get the net, get the net.
Oh, yeah, he's a mama.
Oh, dude, that's a giant.
Mama. Ooh. Mama, dude.
That's a giant.
Look at that thing. Mama, Lily. Not bad.
That's good size, dude.
Size, man. We don't, I understand now.
Oh, I just missed one.
I understand now.
Understand the secret now?
I understand. You were struggling for the ball.
I know, dude.
Oh my god. Okay, I understand it now.
They just got bounced it off the rocks, dude. You got it? Oh, he knows the secret, dude. Nice.
Damn, dude, I can't cast this shit for sugar. I understand now.
Damn, dude, you might as well just wear my GoPro for real.
I understand now. Yes.
You might as well just wear my GoPro for real.
Dude, let it catch to the shore, let it hit for the first rock, and just slow retrieve it. It like, you literally just roll off the rock.
Yeah.
And then also you feel the double tap. The double tap is the
Yep.
immediate check the hook. I gotta set my check up kind of.
Fish on, baby. You can feel like two thumps.
Yeah, that's
like it thumps. Oh, that's a big mama, dude. That's a good one. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go. Yeah, you really gotta just dump it off the bottom.
Yep. Then the double thump.
Yep.
So that's the thing. If you're hitting the bottom, boom, 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 boom.
Yep.
That's what it is.
Come on, Demon, you gotta know the secret, dude. Hey, maybe live minnows might be the move.
I know the live minnow might have been good, but no, Mimic's already hidden, so. The Mimic's already good. Yeah,
Just missed.
oh, you. Oh, you.
Damn. Sad. He just bit the tail.